All rise. The hearing of calendar cases will now begin. Honorable Kenneth Vincent Labor, presiding. Silence is hereby enjoined.
Read the cases in the court calendar.
First case, Your Honor. Criminal case number 1234, People of the Philippines versus Daniel Avellino for acts of lasciviousness for arraignment.
Appearances.
Prosecutor Luis Christian Aldea, respectfully appearing for the government, ready, Your Honor.
Attorney Jefferson Catanales, respectfully appearing for the accused, ready, Your Honor.
Alright. Promulgate the decision of this case. Read only the dispositive portion.
Wherefore, foregoing premises considered, this court hereby finds herein accused Daniel Avellino guilty beyond reasonable doubt of committing an act of lasciviousness as defined under Section 5, Article 3 of Republic Act No. 7610 in relation to Section 2 of its implementing rules and regulations. As such, he is hereby sentenced to suffer the penalty of imprisonment for 10 years and 1 day of prison mayor, as minimum to 17 years, 4 months, and 1 day of prison perpetuity. As maximum, and it's ordered to pay the following amount: 20,000 as civil indemnity, 15,000 as moral damages, and 15,000 as extraordinary damages. Also 15,000 as fine with an interest rate of 6% per annum to be imposed on all damages awarded counted from the date of finality of this judgment.
Furnish the copy of the decision.
Your Honor, we pray that the accused remain on provisional liberty under his bail while the defense is considering our next legal action.
Alright. The accused will remain on provisional liberty under his bail bond. Next case.
No other cases, Your Honor.
Vision adjourned.
All rise.